Hidden deep in the heart of Meghalaya, where clouds drift like whispers and time slows to a breath, lie the southwest Khasi Hills, a forgotten jewel carved by earth and sky. Beneath a curtain of fog, ancient cliffs rise like guardians of memory. A deep gorge, sculpted by centuries of rain and wind, cradles a quiet stream, a silver thread weaving through the green. This is not just land, it is legend. Every stone, every ripple, echoes the voice of the hills. And then, the landscape opens. Endless waves of green roll across the horizon, like a sleeping ocean of grass. Each hill a heartbeat, each valley a breath. Sunlight filters through drifting clouds, casting moving shadows on the slopes. Here, the silence sings. The wind carries stories older than time. This is the living earth, in rhythm with the sky. The southwest Khasi Hills, wild yet gentle, raw yet poetic. A world untouched, waiting to be felt.